Good morning, I am Kashak and she is my friend Rakshit. We both of us prepare a model of physics. Model prepare under the supervision of Naresh sir. We are the student of 9 Foundation. The name of our model is Smart Blind Stick. The main purpose of this model is to help blind person to navigate easily and in a safe manner. Now my friend Rakshit tell about the material used in this model.
In this model, we use ultrasonic sensor which produce wave to detect object, buzzer which produce buzzing sound, Arduino Uno which is a microcontroller which will give signal to buzzer or to vibrator according to coding, jumper wire which connect remote electric circuit. We explain this model with the help of 2 conditions. The first condition is you assume that I am a blind girl, I am walking and I don't have any stick in my hand. A object come ahead to me, then I collide with object and I get injured. Means मान लो मैं एक अंधी लड़की और मैं कहीं पे जा रही हूँ, मेरे हाथ में कोई भी स्टिक नहीं है, अगर आगे कोई ऑब्जेक्ट आ गया तो मैं उसके साथ टकरा जाऊंगी और मेरे को चोट लग जाएगी. Now my friend explain the second condition of this model.
Similarly, as first condition, you assume that I am a blind girl and I am walking and I have this smart blind stick in my hand and an object come across me. In this smart blind stick, we use ultrasonic sensor which detect the object, and we also use buzzer which produce sound when an object come across the stick. एंड दिस इज़ अवर एक्सप्लेनेशन इन हिंदी के अंदर ये मतलब है, आप मान लीजिए मैं एक अंधी लड़की हूँ और मैं कहीं जा रही हूँ और मेरे हाथ में ये स्मार्ट ब्लाइंड स्टिक है. अब ये मेरा हाथ इसके लिए एक ऑब्जेक्ट का काम कर रहा है. जब मैं अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर के आगे अपना हाथ लाऊंगी तो इसके अंदर बजर अपनी साउंड प्रोड्यूस करेगा और मैं पता चल जाएगा आगे कोई ऑब्जेक्ट है और मैं अपनी डायरेक्शन चेंज कर लूँगी. नाउ माय फ्रेंड एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द लिमिटेशन ऑफ दिस मॉडल.
Limitation of this model is that the ultrasonic sensor does not detect the underground things like holes and stairs, etc. And the advantages of this model is that it is of low cost, reliable, portable, low power consumption, moisture detector. Hope you like our project. Thank you.
Thank you.